Good morning, family. This is Mr. Brown, and welcome to day one of our rush attack. 3-star, no nature. And this is the defense team that I went with. I put in the slow heroes. Obviously, Treeville must be in this. Although I didn't put him as my tank because purple is not the dominant color right now. It's actually ice because there are no natures. See, I got it right this time. Went out of order. So we have here Rufus. I really wanted to focus on heroes that inflict ailments, although you do have healers here. So he does 210% damage to all enemies. He inflicts a minus defense down and a bleed damage. We already know what Trevo does. He's very devastating if you don't have a cleanser. And then I have my cleanse hero right here. I really don't like putting healers as tanks, although they are good support heroes and sometimes they're really good for stalling. And since he's a druid, even more so. I have this one, Ribbit, who does damage to the target and nearby enemies, reducing their their mana plus inflicting poison. And he inflicts burn damage to 3 enemies. Also, he's a rogue. They're actually probably, I could have gone with different ice heroes, but I really didn't want to. All right, so let's see how defense is doing. Oh, pretty solid. That's 75%. Okay, I'm happy. So let's see if offense can do as well. So we can't really use any holy, not that I'd want to. Okay. So let's see how we're gonna do this. I think we're gonna do that. And then we're going to have a dispel. Okay. And that's my morning devotion. And then we're going to have, I want to have more than, should I have Griel? And then I like to do an ice hero. And let's see, should I do, no, not nature. So we'll go with the fire hero. We'll go with this costume. So let's change the troops around a bit. And this is, and he's a healer, huh? So we'll go with the attack troop for Jahangir. How's that look? I mean, with rush attack, I prefer 4 colors. Let's go with that. Let's see if this works well. Okay, let's try this. I know it's going to create some chains. I mean, I didn't need to use that. This is why I like to go with 4 colors. Wow, that was... Damn, they attacked the same hero. Now, we're going to create some havoc. Let's see what we're going to do here. I think we'll do him first and then Gria. Man, for a shorty, he's a heavy sniper. Look at all the holy tiles. I swear they make me regret not taking 4 colors. Okay. She's gonna hit my healer just to watch. Of course. Almost didn't win that one. Okay. We're going to need a boosted healer for sure. Especially against this guy. Oh, they have 2 healers. Okay. So, we're going to change him out. And then we're going to put in her. Let's see, who else do I have boosted healer? I don't think I have any in another color. Although, Jolly, I just don't have any emblems on him. So let's see. Let's change the troops around. So we have a Dispel. We have a Cleanse. And a boosted healer. Let's go. 4 colors. See if that one purple tile will do it. Yep. Oh, great. He's a superior talent. Okay. What am I going to do? Let's see if we can put these into Hawk Moon. These holy towels might kill her, so that would be a start. We need to get rid of Gunner. Oh boy. Healing. Okay, we're gonna wait for Gunner to go off again. Man, I should have actually put Tyrum as a flank. Okay, so we're gonna need a cleanse after. Okay. Okay, that's why you don't give up. Even that was a long one. Okay, the next one. All right, we're at flag number 3. Let's see, we're going to need a cleanse for sure. I think we're going to change him out. And wait, who is our tank again? Okay. We're going to go with another blue hero. Now, who do I want to use? Should I use him? Yeah. Let's go. I might take that purple. No, actually I won't. Oh my god, he's charged again. Bro, you should have hit 3 of us. What's wrong with you? All right, that was cool. So this is flag number 4. Okay, instead of him, we're going to still need the cleanse. I think I'll go back to Wait. Let's check this out. Instead, let's use this guy. Okay. I mean, let's just stick with what I have. So hopefully he can prevent them from gaining the buff in the first place. There's a lot of nature tiles I need to get rid of because they're going to screw me over in the end. Okay, let's see. Let's dispel that. Okay. Then we're going to use Trevo. Okay. So next, I think we'll save Hilo. We don't need him yet. I don't think this green diamond should set off. I'm more worried about Trevo, but he is at low defense. Low attacking. Okay. Thankfully, she can't gain her buff. I'm gonna get you. Fantastic. Now, for one more. Okay. So I'm still going to need... I think what I'll do is I'll just change him out. And I will use... I think Ribbit. Let's go. I want to avoid Wakas over there in the corner. Wow, just a total annihilation of my team. Okay, let's see if I could at least take out Baltazar. Okay, we're gonna let that happen. Wow, just not a good board. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys for day 2.